Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to talk real quickly in this video about the latest crypto news, why the crypto market is down today. Is this something you should be worried about? We're going to discuss all of that, and we're going to talk about what is possibly going to play out this weekend as well in the crypto market. Okay, so please do two things for me. Hit that like button below, hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on X, please give me a follow. I would greatly appreciate it. And so let's take a look. So we've got the overall crypto market right here. You can see down about 2.46% and down to 4.0 trillion. And that's where we're at right now. Bitcoin down 1.8, Ethereum down 3.2, Solana down 5, et cetera. And you can kind of get a more holistic view here. You can see XRP's down 3.3, and we already talked about Solana. Dogecoin's down 6. Everything pretty much in the red. In fact, on the 24-hour, the only thing that are up is Aster, Story, IP, World Liberty, and 9%, 2%, and 1% respectively. So we're in the middle here on the fear and greed index. We're sitting at a neutral, which is actually, I really like neutral. I'm to me, neutral is good when it comes to the crypto market. Neutral, and then this light green segment is not bad, but I'm not a fan of extreme greed because that starts to present situations where we get over bought, and then we start to see things drop from there. Okay, so why is the crypto market? What is playing out in the market right now? Well, let's take a look real quickly. Right here, we can see kind of why is the market down. We've got profit taking number one. I think profit taking is definitely a factor. We've got a macro correlation drag. Looks like we got the NASDAQ down. Let's take a look at what's going on over there. So nope, the NASDAQ's bounced back up to 105, and the Dow's up 135. So that's not dragging anymore. But we really do have, I think it's this one. It's really number two, post ETF profit taking. We had a pretty significant run up when it was announced that the SEC has approved Grayscale's basically large cap crypto ETP, exchange traded product fund, that was approved. And so that was, we had a pretty significant amount of capital liquidity flow in to get us back up over 4 trillion, all that kind of stuff. But I really think that it's profit taking. When we hit kind of some of those peaks a little bit, we tend to see people start to profit take and pull money out, take some profit off of the proverbial table, if you will. Now, this is citing stablecoin regulation uncertainty. Australia's new rules spark compliance concern. In my opinion, I don't really think that's a thing. I'm not downplaying the significance of Australia and the global market conditions, but to me, I don't really think that that's a factor. Now, if we had some uncertainty, some risk, some doubt around the stablecoin legislation, things of that nature going on here in the States, I think that would be a little bit more center stage. So again, I think really, if we really want to sum it all up, we've got profit taking. We're easing into the proverbial weekend. I think people are starting to kind of take a breath and kind of say, okay, I'm going to ease into the weekend. Sometimes if you look at kind of the ebb and flow of crypto, weekends tend to be a little bit down or flat. Now I know that there are outliers, things that happen over the weekend, but usually we get a little bit of a rundown, especially considering we had a run up earlier this week. We got profit taking now, things of that nature. Okay, so I think that that's kind of what we're going to see play out for the remainder of the weekend. Hey, I'd love to be wrong, right? And I'd love to see the crypto market take off and move back up significantly. Okay, so got something brand new for you. There's a link in the description below and it's a link to Inner Circle. And Inner Circle is something brand new that I just launched this week. It's a brand new private members group. And here's what you get. So, and by the way, if you click on that link, and you can watch this video where I talk about it as well. But here's what you get. You're going to get access to some pretty cool stuff. And I'm going to tell you straight, it's for 90 cents a day. $27 a month is what it costs. You can afford $27 a month to at least try it. And because quite frankly, I'm going to be raising the price. The price is probably going to double in the very near future. So this is the lowest it will ever be. If you want to lock in that low price, get in and at least try it, because I'm going to tell you, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So said a different way, you get to try it for 30 days at this low price. If you like it, you keep it, you're in at the lowest price. If you don't, you've lost nothing, because you can cancel, refund, get your money back and all that. So what are you going to get for 90 cents a day? Number one, you're going to get my full portfolio access. You're going to see exactly what I own. Every single crypto that I own is inside the members area. What sectors it's in, all that kind of stuff. So you're going to see exactly what I own. So if you want to model some of that, you certainly can. you're going to get buy and sell alerts. Now, these are buy and sell alerts on the cryptos that I own. So when I buy a crypto, you're going to know about it before anybody else does. When I sell a crypto, you're going to know about it. So you'll be able to buy and sell accordingly if you want to follow my trades. In fact, I put one in there yesterday that's really, really a good one. Okay, AI crypto picks. This is something that is pretty cool. It's proprietary. I've got an AI crypto picking engine, if you will. And every week, I'm going to give you 1 to 2 crypto picks coming out of the AI crypto engine. Okay, so this thing takes into a lot of corollary data and all this kind of stuff. Some of it's a little over my head as far as how, the AI component, but hey, it's generating some really, really cool. You're going to get 1 to 2 of those a week being a member. Okay, you're also going to get prime value crypto picks. What are prime value? This is different than the AI. So prime value are undervalued cryptos. These might be cryptos that have been beaten down and now they're undervalued. Maybe they've been oversold, things of this nature. And these are ones that you might want to look at, that could be about to turn and take off the other way. And as I mentioned, you're going to be part of an investing community. So this is a private community. Only Inner Circle members are in this. I'm in there. My team's in there. Lots of good stuff going on. And you get all that for, as I said, $27 a month. The quarterly option actually is the cheapest on a per day basis. And you got that 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Okay. FAQs, can it cancel anytime? Absolutely. You can cancel it anytime. Is there a money back guarantee? Absolutely. 30 days, no questions asked. Is this for beginners or can anybody join? It is set for beginners, but it's also set for anywhere in between and on the spectrum, because you got those AI crypto picks, you got the buy and sell alerts from when I buy or sell, you got the prime value picks, you got all that kind of stuff. You got the investing community. It's really geared for everybody from beginner all the way up to more advanced. So however it wants to, however you, wherever you fit on that spectrum. So pick the one that's right for you. Give it a shot. Give it a try. You got zero risk here because you got that 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.